Jackfruit.
Yeah,
and
jackfruit.
can you show it again to tell if it's
Like
ripe?
that, yeah, you press it down and it's soft. You know, you feel it's like a
So
sponge.
this is not ripe yet.
I like it like this. It's sometimes too bright. If you keep it like a few days, it may like, even like not crunchy anymore.
So this lady says, after you crack it open, it's good for a week.
You cut.
Okay, then it's good for a week, and then and you wrap it in plastic.
No, it's Ziploc.
Ziploc.
Ziploc. You put double Ziploc. Better.
Double Ziploc? What do you mean, like the inside?
Inside. Make sure inside and one more outside.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know.